Hello and welcome to the Accent Bank by Sarah Valentine. My name is Trey and I'm proud to come from Devonshire, Bermuda, and this here is my natural accent. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. A pack of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. Hello, how are you? Are you having a fabulous day? I'm really enjoying recording this video and I hope you're enjoying it too. Okay, here goes with some random sentences. The hot sun reflected off car windows and lit up the garage. Behind the sliding door, a little girl could hear a cat scratching. She saw her toy sheep that she got from the zoo was stuck in the door jamb. She climbed onto a chair and tapped the chain 4 times to release the toy. I think the cat was happy. The poor boy was on a starship stuck in bed. He had poor vision and an angry boil on his nose. His father had no name and was running late to visit his son Charlie, but the man was also the ship's doctor for the last 10 years. He asked if he wanted a pot of water to wash with. His son replied, "Yeah." It is red letter day, and no matter where I place my chewing gum, I cannot put it on the envelope, no matter how I try. Then you said, "Come over here. Let me try." Right now, I'm going to count from 1 to 20 and then do the alphabet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. A is for apple. B is for banana or banana. C is for Charlie. D is for dog. E is for egg. F is for frog. G is for gold. H is for hello. I is for ice cream. J is for joy. K is for king. L is for lemon. M is for mother. N is for nut. O is for orange. P is for pepper. Q is for queen. R is for rose. S is for Sarah. T is for tomorrow or tomorrow. U is for umbrella. V is for Valentine. W is for water. X is for X-ray. Y is for yellow or yellow. Z is for zebra. Thank you for watching my video. I'm Trey Tucker from Devonshire, Bermuda. I actually have done this process before for Wiki Tongues on YouTube. I have my own video on there that I submitted and they posted it to YouTube. It has 80,000 views on YouTube. And it shows me speaking my accent, showing you some of the dialect and colloquial of my accent. And I hope you can go to watch that just to give you more broad knowledge of what I do and how Bermudians speak as a whole. So I appreciate it and thank you for watching.